Selection of the residency program demands intelligence and smartness and research. It's not just a 4 years of time, it's actually your destiny. Often candidates think that program should be closer to their house, should offer more salary, should have flexible hours, should have more and more leaves. It's not. Let me demonstrate what you should look for in a residency program and how do we train our residents.
While looking for a residency program, one should look for the quality of training, the faculty, the environment, and the caliber of its trainees. At Patel Hospital, we focus on the knowledge, attitude, and skills of our trainees. We have devised a comprehensive curricular system in which we have divided the syllabus into 12 modules that comprises of 69 sessions, and we conduct 2 sessions per week. That is compounded by pre-test and rigorous post-testing system. We also have skill sessions every month and research session weekly.
Now we'll talk about environment. As faculty members, we do realize that our postgraduates are under a lot of stress for seeing patients in the emergency, having on-call duties, long post-op sessions, and again, they have to come up early in the morning to see all the patients before the consultants. So it's our duty to provide our postgraduates with a very safe environment for their nurturing, and that's why we have well-being sessions being carried out every 4 to 8 weeks, where we go outside, have some fun, dine outside, and try to mingle with our PGs so that the stress of daily life does not hinder their growth.
Our surgery residency program is built on a strong supervision, continuous assessment, and a structured training pathway. From the very first year, our residents receive a direct observation under consultant guidance supported by DOS, Mini CX, and 360-degree feedback evaluation. A key strength of our program is the multidisciplinary tumor board meetings and the surgical oncology-focused teaching and training. The residents learn how the surgery, the medical oncology, and the radiation oncology, along with the pathology and radiology, combined and sit together to plan a evidence-based, patient-centered plan for the treatment. We also encourage the culture of clinical audits, the quality improvement, the research based on competencies. This prepare our residents not just to operate but to innovate and improve the systems of care. At Patel Hospital, you don't just receive the training, but you develop the mindset and the skill set to become a future-ready surgeon. Our surgery residency program is built on strong supervision, continuous assessment, and a structured training pathway. From the very first year, the resident receive a direct consultant guidance supported by DOPS, Mini CX, and 360-degree feedback evaluation. A key strength of our program is our multidisciplinary tumor board and oncology-focused training. Residents learn how surgery, medical oncology, radiation oncology, radiology, and pathology combine to create evidence-based, patient-centered treatment plans. We also encourage a culture of clinical audits, quality improvement, and research based on competencies. This prepare our residents not just to operate but to lead, innovate, and improve a system of care. At Patel Hospital, you don't just receive training, you develop the mindset and skill set of a future-ready surgeon.
So often, one of the most important parameters of the success is what the existing residents are doing and what they can perform, as well as what the past residents are doing, where are they. This is one of the most successful parameters of any residency program.
My name is Dr. Anika Saeed and I am one of the first 2 surgical residents from Patel Hospital.
I am Dr. Dania Javed and currently I am an Year 5 resident at General Surgery Department in Patel Hospital.
I am Dr. Asma Hirani, currently working as Registrar in General Surgery Department at Patel Hospital.
I did my surgery training from Patel Hospital in 2019 and 2020, and after that I went to Agra University Hospital for my subspecialty in urology, and currently I am working as a consultant urologist at Beria International Hospital, Karachi. And what I cherish the most about my residency days were the very supportive and the positive environment. The faculty there is very supportive, easily approachable, and very friendly. There's no toxicity at all, and those 2 challenging years were difficult because those were the start of our surgical career, but those 2 years brought resilience in me and made me into who I am today. and made me a better version of myself.
So during my training, the team spirit and teamwork among the residents and the faculty is something that I encountered and cherished. Though the long hours and the tough times are etched in my memory, but it's the bond that I've formed and the lesson that I've learned from my mentor that I cherish the most.
I also completed my residency from the same department. This department has played a major role in my personal and professional growth, included in my decision making, interpersonal communication skills, and departmental management skills. Clinically, I have gained a lot of experience in open and laparoscopic procedures, emergency management, and perioperative care, giving me a holistic approach as I become a surgeon. One of the things that I value most is our structured modular system for our academic sessions, MDTs, and a dedicated research module. It's guided me through the research from very basics and eventually led me to publish my own work, which is a milestone for me. But above all, I cherish the friendships and strong bonds that I've built here with my juniors, colleagues, and the faculty members. And support has shaped me who I am today, and I will carry that always with me throughout my life. Thank you.
To these, the program instilled in me a sense of confidence and competence in my surgical skills. I have grown from a hesitant trainee to an aspiring surgeon. The TIA, the mantra that to worship care, that is, the teamwork, the integrity, and the adult learning, these qualities have got a very positive impact in their personality, and that's something that I will cherish forever. The strength of our program lies into the commitment to excellence, the mentorship, and the residents' well-being. Getting hands-on and proper guidance along the way, our faculty is invested in our growth, and that's what set Patel Hospital apart. So the residents are not trained to be just surgeons, they are trained to be leaders. Thank you.
And the changes that Patel Residency brought in me is the discipline, is to work under pressure, multitasking, and is to take interest in the research activities. Because before joining Patel Hospital, I had zero interest and zero experience in research. And but after joining that, we learned the basics of research and published articles, and even participated at symposium at the Shaukat Khanum. The strength of the Patel Residency program is the supportive environment and the supportive faculty, and the balance of academic, clinical, and the research work. There are ample of the cases from the elective as well as the emergency setting, and there are dedicated hours to the academic activities, to the case-based discussion, and to the research hour as well, so that you get to learn the basics of research. And that is it. Thank you.